Hi guys, today I am picking up the Cayenne. Hopefully we have to actually change the starter. So now I'm heading to my Yap place and well, see how he dropped the engine, check the gearbox, change the starter, and hopefully he can tune up the car as well. See you later.
Hand order.
Oh, ni lah. Okay, this is the starter. Cute. Looks so nice. With the instruction. Oh, detached poke drop. Cool. Looks quite a simple job. Okay, I am now with Mike. Mike is gonna reach inside the engine somewhere inside there to get to the starter that we can replace it. So this one does the car just need to go up on the hoist, which is gonna be fairly quick, I guess.
No hoist needed for this.
We starting with removing all the screw, those cute little pink color.
Proper screw.
So I got a cute little pink screw and yeah, later Mike will replace a proper one for me. These are too cute to be on the Cayenne.
Now it's anchored.
Yep, the cover came apart and yep, you can kind of see more of the new engine.
Because your car got underboost issues.
So the smoke test is
To
where?
check, see there got leaks.
Okay. Okay, so my car have a underboost issue. So now Mike is going to do a smoke test. What is a smoke test? Kevin is here with me. Do you know what is a smoke test?
Yeah.
Smoke test.
Yeah, there's smoke.
Smoke test. You're gonna do it on the car. Mike, what is a smoke test?
Oh, smoke test, we will put it into your intake system
Mm-hmm.
just to ensure that there are no leaks.
Okay. So
in
when
the
you
entire system.
when you put the smoke in,
Yep.
if there's a leak, something will come out, right?
Yes.
You can see the smoke coming
Yes.
out. Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. So
Cool.
that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, to rule one thing out first.
Yep.
Yeah.
One by one.
One by one. Some more you got twin turbos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Twin turbo.
So even on a 4-cylinder, you know, sometimes it's quite challenging to
Mhm.
even find, you know, where the leaks are.
Yep.
You know,
Now we
got
have 8
left
cylinder,
and right.
left and right.
Yeah.
The dipstick is like you can just
Yeah. But the electronic ones are good when you run low on oil. Which the manual one cannot tell you.
yep.
Got E-bombs. Intake. You see a lot more. Now it's naked.
Yep.
Here, so like.
Yep. This is how we're gonna add the smoke into the turbo. Okay. Now we are doing the smoke test. So here, this is where the smoke machine is connected to the battery, pumping the smoke inside. So now he's checking if there is any smoke coming out. Air filter.
Yeah, the air filter.
Okay, so far the smoke test is a pass for low pressure, which is okay. I feel a little bit better. There's nothing wrong with any leaking. For now. The smoke into here. Okay, the pressure is building up. Okay, now we see a smoke coming from here.
There as well.
There, coming out.
We can get it on in the camera.
Yeah, can see.
So it's the worst.
Okay, this is bad.
Smoking.
Smoking coming out. Okay, now we are removing the cover to see what's inside and where we can fix the leak. And once we fix the leak from one side, we will try again with the smoke machine, see whether it will come out from the other side or not. Perk of having a twin turbo. So next time when you want to buy a Cayenne, choose wisely. Okay, the moment we lift up. Okay, when we lift up the engine cover, yep, that is engine oil coming out to say hi. And there are a few more things inside that, we should look into it. Cool.
Here we go.
Ta-da! Okay, so the starter have come out, and this is where the petrol go to the starter, and that's the gearbox. Okay, now we're gonna test the starter. This is the old one that just come out from the car, and we are testing.
It functions?
Functions.
Yeah, but it doesn't work in the car.
Okay, this is the old one, and that is the new one from Hella. Let's see. We can compare that in the video later, so you know whether this one is working but not enough power. This one, super power.
You all try this, then done.
Try already.
Now we try again for clearer video.
Hello.
And that is the new one from Hella. Let's see. Okay, now it's going in.